Hi everyone, my name is Taylor from West Michigan Air Duct and HVAC, and thank you for tuning in to our first episode of Tay's Tips. So the topic we're going to cover today is the importance of changing your furnace filter and why you should do so. So a good rule of thumb is to change your filter every 1 to 3 months. A way you can tell if it's ready to be changed is to hold it up to the light. If you don't see a lot of light passing through, or if it just looks dirty, it's probably time to change the filter. The first reason why we should change it is because it can increase HVAC efficiency. The buildup of dust and debris can cause the furnace to have to work that much harder, which can lead to more wear and tear or even cause the furnace to overheat. The second reason why we should change it is because it can decrease energy use. The harder the furnace has to work, this will require more energy needed, which will lead to obviously a higher consumer bill. The third reason why we should change that filter is because it can improve overall air quality. So the recirculation of dust, debris, and pet dander can cause allergy-like symptoms and even cause more dust on the surfaces of your home. Those are going to be the 3 main reasons why you should change your furnace filter. We will upload a video next week, so stay tuned. Thank you and have a great day.